Right, so this person has sold their FMC position and has lost $130,000. They feel they've been deceived. Let's just have a look at this comment for a second. Okay, so they're right. Dice roller, right. So deceiving. They all but said 600 million free cash flow last earnings report for 2026. Now it's zero. So they cut the div and still can't get free cash flow from operations. They have to sell less assets to reduce debt. The EPS means nothing. The insider buys mean nothing. Selling the company probably gets $15 a share at best. I sold bottom pricing $12.90 yesterday after buying at 32. FMC, you lost me 130,000 for your baloney estimates in the last 2 quarters. So obviously that's a scathing comment, and this person's lost a lot of money. That's always sad to hear. You never rejoice when someone loses money. But let's just think about what this person said. So obviously there's a lot to discuss in that tweet, but all I'm going to focus on is I'm just going to quickly touch on the idea or the possibility of the sale of the company and valuation. Now, the current price of the share is 14.76 as I speak. With a buyout, there's normally a premium on top of the current share price. So if the share price can maintain its current level of around $15, we could well see a tidy profit for recent buyers. Obviously, long-term buyers are going to really struggle to recoup all their money. Now, according to Market Beat, the book value is close to $17. If you do put a premium on the book value, you'll get a bid of around $20, perhaps. Okay. Now, if the stock price continues to circle down the drain, then yeah, you're going to get opportunistic vultures offering very low ball bids. Okay, and that's going to become a bit of an ugly scenario, right? I wouldn't be surprised though if they've already started receiving tentative inquiries from prospective buyers. But in reality, long-term shareholders, including any employees in the ESPP scheme, if there is one, and inside buyers, will have a lot of their net worth invested in FMC. So obviously the board and the CEO, they're not going to just sell this company for a song. They've got a fiduciary responsibility as well as a personal responsibility to pump up the sale price and pump up the share price. Most investors are, are naturally underwater looking at the stock price collapse. This stock, though, is a cyclical play. There could well be a recovery in the next couple of years. And as mentioned in the QA, one of the analysts did mention to the CEO recently that could well be the bottom, and they're possibly selling at the bottom. That surprised Wall Street. That did. Okay, the announcement of selling the company at such a bottom, a possible bottom, that is. Of course, there's going to be private equity out there looking to capitalize like vultures. And of course, there's going to be other ag chem companies such as BASF, Syngenta, and Corteva looking to add to their portfolio. So all in all, it's tough for long-term shareholders, especially with the massive dividend haircut, but there could well be some light at the end of the tunnel. None of this is financial advice, but please do like and subscribe as well. Thank you.